Alright, this is my simple little diagram I got here to show you how to make a 20-foot charging cable. Essentially, you have your strand of lights. This is my finished product. These are the two center lights I'll be showing you about. Here I have wired female full-size USB so I can plug whatever charger I want into it. Yeah, it's 20 foot long. I call it the home phone cord. Well, essentially, you're going to cut off both ends here and here. Cut up both the plugs and ports off from it. And you're going to find that you'll have 3 wires left. And one wire will be attached to the lights that run to one center. And on the other end, you'll have one line of lights that attach to the other center. And you just cut these all the way out across. They'll be all tangled up and wrapped together. You can essentially just cut the lights and pull them out from both ends, and then you'll be left with 2 ends on one side, 2 ends on the other side. It doesn't really matter which way is which. I just pull the lights out of the middle sockets. But yeah. So essentially, to figure out negative and positive, it's pretty simple. Your phone has a safety against it. I used an old cell phone that I didn't care if I blew up, and I figured out it didn't harm it at all. But you essentially just attach one end to a positive and negative, which will be the red and the black wires after you split open the male USB end. And on the other side, you can either wire in straight to your charger. You know, if you don't have a female, you can essentially use one of these, use that end, and use this end. That way you're going directly to your phone. I, however, had a female USB, full-size USB end, so I used that in case somebody needed to use their lightning charger, you know, a different type of charger, or whatever. You can plug in anything on it. And this will not work for data transferring because it's only 2 wires. If you wanted to, you could double up this method and use the green and white wires, and it would work just fine. Well, essentially, yeah, if you cut these ends off, you'll slowly pull all these out all the way to the center. You'll notice when one light has 3 in the center, and right next to it there will be another light with 3. And I could have rewired it to bypass these, but I just left them in. They don't really make a big difference. It's just paralleled through it. You see there's only 2 wires. If you cut these 2 wires and just put them back together that are in there, it would be perfectly fine. I just didn't feel like splicing anything in. I used electrical tape for my finish because I didn't really care, of course, that much. But I also picked this stuff up at the parts store. You can use this as the heat shrink stuff. You just attach that around the wire and heat it up with a lighter. That'll give you a way better look, but it works. And I guess I'll show you that really quick. Got another phone on me. I'll grab my charger cord. What's cool about this, it makes it even longer. And plug it in. Plug that in. Plug this one in. This one goes on the top. Charging. As you can see, no gimmicks. Yeah, it's a do-it-yourself 20-foot charger cord. Thanks. Bye.